Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to join clips together in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I added some clips to my timeline that I'd like to join together. There are several ways to do this, but let's start with the most common method, nesting. To begin, select the clips you want to join by clicking and dragging over the clips on the timeline. Once you have your clips selected, right-click either of your selected clips and click Nest. Give the nested sequence an identifiable name and hit OK. This will join all selected clips together within one nested sequence. Now you can apply adjustments, effects, and more to the nested sequence, and it will be applied to every clip within it. In this case, I've applied a black and white effect to the whole nested sequence. Much like a single clip, you can change the effects properties by selecting the clip and going over to Effect Controls. Furthermore, if you want to see the individual clips within the nested sequence, just double-click it to open the sequence in a new tab on the timeline, and it will reveal its contents. Here you can apply effects to each individual clip within the nested sequence, essentially layering effects on top of one another if you're aiming for a specific look. Here, I've applied a basic blur to the first clip inside the nested sequence. Remember that your effects will compound. Much like Inception, the deeper you go, the crazier things will get. Exit your nested sequence by clicking this little X button to return to your main timeline. Now, if you play back your sequence, you'll see that only your first clip is blurred, but every clip is black and white due to the effect applied to the whole sequence above. The next way to join clips is using groups. If applying effects or adjustments to a bunch of clips isn't necessary, then grouping is ideal. Let's say you simply want to group a bunch of clips together to segment your timeline contents, or just avoid selecting clips every time you want to move something. To do this, select the clips you'd like to group, right-click any of them, and select Group. Now, when you select any of the clips you just grouped, it'll select everything within the same group, and when you move them, they move uniformly on the timeline. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.